In this video, I wanted to do a quick demo of a tool I use all the time called UpdraftPlus Backup and Restore. You can find it for free on the WordPress repository under Plugins Add New. You can search up Backup Restore UpdraftPlus and you can find it. It's a pretty easy backup tool. It allows you to simply backup your website by going to Settings, UpdraftPlus, and I just click Backup Now. And it's going to go through, backup my database, my themes, my plugins, and everything about my WordPress site as it is now. We can see the backup is finished, and I have a small website here with the demo site, so it's not going to take too long to back up. But if you have a lot of media files, a lot of themes, a lot of plugins and data there, it may take a little bit longer for you. But once that backup is done, it will be stored right here. And for my use case, I start a lot of videos with a demo site like this. It's just pretty much WordPress out of the box, just the 2020 theme. But maybe in my video, I'll go through and demonstrate how to use a plugin or how to use a theme. And then I'll get my site to a point where it's not even looking the same at all. And maybe I'll customize the pages and things. But at the end of my video, I want to go back and have a simple, clean way to go back to the way my site was for the next video. And so I just come to my UpdraftPlus settings here, restore everything. Go ahead and go to next through the wizard here and just continue through the restoration wizard, and it's going to go through and restore everything to the way it was when I made my backup. And now that that's all done, I can go back to my website, and now the changes I made are now gone and I'm back to my fresh WordPress install like I had when I made my backup. So that's a super easy backup tool for WordPress. If you don't have one in place, I highly recommend it. And with something like UpdraftPlus, you could even have scheduled backups. Under the settings here, you could set up a database and files backup schedule if you wanted to back up every 2 hours, every 4 hours, or whatever you wanted to do there. And you could even store your backups. If you didn't want them stored on your Bluehost or your SiteGround or WP Engine or wherever you're hosting, you could store it in Google Drive, for example, if you wanted to. But that's a great tool for backing up your WordPress website, and it is super easy to use.